Allah has made it very clear. إِنِّي لَا أُضِيءُ عَمَلَ عَامِلٍ مِّنْكُمْ مِنْ ذَكَرٍ أَوْ أُنْثَى بَعْضُكُمْ مِنْ بَعْضٍ. I shall not waste the efforts of any of you, man or woman. You are members one of another. And إِنَّ أَكْرَمَكُمْ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ أَتْقَاكُمْ. The person who is more revered, who is more superior, or who is more respected in the eyes of Allah, is the one who is more pious, who has more taqwa, regardless of whether it's a man or a woman. History is filled with women who exemplified this fact, who taught men as well as women, who gave religious verdicts, who fought and died, all for the sake of Allah, not to prove to the world that they were capable. My dear Muslim sisters, we, unlike the non-Muslim women, we do not have to prove anything to this world. All we have to prove is to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we are capable. Yes, we are capable of becoming true and ideal Muslim women. Women like the Sahabiyat, not 5 feet 10 inches or something like that. No. Women like the Sahabiyat, out of hundreds of examples. And I could go on forever, but I'm sure you all must be hungry. I'll just quote one example. Asma bint Yazid. She embraced Islam when she was a teenager, at the time of Hijrah, and she was only in her 20s, the Battle of Yarmouk. She killed 9 soldiers with what? With the pole of a tent. Let alone women. I don't know how many men can even do that, today or whenever, I don't know. And not only that, she was also a great scholar. She opened a school, and from her school, many of our respected ulama of the Taba'un period, they graduated from her school. Aisha, Khadija, Fatima, Zainab, Asma, Ammara, Salma, Kulsum, Hakim, there are so many names. Who are all these? These were the scholars, the teachers, the doctors, the nurses, the social workers, the warriors, and the mothers, daughters, sisters, and wives of the times of the Prophet Muhammad.